Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Messaging. Today our lecture is Messaging Confidentiality. Uh, let's start our video. The concept of how to achieve message confidentiality or privacy has no changed for the thousands of the years. The message must be encrypted at the sender side and decrypted at the receiver side. That is, the message must be rendered unintelligible to unauthorized parties. A good privacy technique guarantees to some extent that a potential and intruder cannot understand the content of the message as we discussed in. So this can be done using either symmetrical key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography. We review both confidently with asymmetric key cryptography. Although modern symmetric key algorithms are more complex than the one used through the long history of the secret right. The principle is the same to provide confidentiality with symmetric key cryptography. A sender and a receiver need to share a secret key. In the past, when data exchange was between two specific person, for example, two friends are a rule and here army chief. It was possible to personal exchange the secret key. Today communication doesn't often provide the opportunity. A person residing in the United States cannot meet and exchange a security key with a person living in China. Further, the communication is between millions of the people, not just a few. To be able to use symmetric key cryptography, we need to find a solution to the key sharing. This can be done using a section key. A section key is one that is only for the duration of the section. This section key itself is exchanged using symmetric key cryptography as well. We see later. So note that the natural of the symmetric key allows the communication to carry on the both direction. Although it is not recommended today, using two different keys is more secure because if one key is compromised, the communication is still confident in the other key direction. So here is a graph message confidential using symmetric key graph. So the reason symmetric key cryptography is still a domain method for confidential of the message is its efficiently. Confidently with asymmetric key cryptography, the problem we mentioned about key exchange in symmetric key cryptography for the privacy claimed in the creation of asymmetric key cryptography. Here there is no key sharing. There is a public announced creation two key, one private and one public. He keeps the private key for direct description. He public announced public the public key to the word. The public key is used only for encryption. The private key is used only for decryption. So the public key lock the message, the private key unlock it. For a two-way communication between alias and Bob, two pair of key are needed. When Alice sent a message to Bob, she used Bob pair. When Bob sent a message to Alice, he used Alice pair as. So I am going to end this my lecture and we will meet inshallah next lecture. So goodbye and